Keep up the pace, another batch is coming. Got it. Almost finished. Just one more stitch. There, all done. Looks perfect. Perfect. Just a little swirl here. Beautiful. These look amazing. I'm quite pleased with the precision today.
Line up the microchip carefully. Just right. Perfect. Next component.
The bamboo is very fresh today.
Yes, feels good.
We will make beautiful baskets from this. Almost done. Just a bit more power. There, perfect.
Perfectly sized. And ready to go. Just right. I'm almost finished with this one.
That gold looks beautiful.
Thank you. It's a traditional pattern.
The blue diode is stable and exceeds specifications.
Welcome to our factory. Today, we're carefully packaging our fresh green tea leaves into these small packets, ensuring quality in every step.
All right, time to put these together. Almost there. Perfect. Ready for the bike.
Okay, welcome to our factory. This is our main loom weaving high-quality, colorful fabric. It operates around the clock to create these. The essence of luxury is in the details. It's perfectly balanced. Ready for the world. Perfectly crispy, just the way you like them.